Ethereum has continued to test this ascending structure resistance line at about $1,845. Now, are we going to break above this, possibly seeing $2,000, or are we going to crash all the way back down? With the FOMC meeting coming up tomorrow, it really is anyone's game. So in this video, I'm going to talk about some price predictions for Ethereum. Let's get straight into it. Welcome to the TradeConfident.io website. I'm your host, Jake, and today we are going to be talking about Ethereum. Scrolling down through the Ethereum metrics here, and the first one we're talking about is the emotional index. As of right now, anyone trading Ethereum is probably feeling pretty excited, and this comes after a massive pump. I know I'm feeling pretty excited about it too. However, most often as we push into excited territory, this is most often where we're seeing moves back down in the market. Next up is the Ethereum Whale Smart Money metric, and we are seeing a continuous period of short trade sentiment. Now, it's not very low. We like to see it around -800 or lower before we really see big moves back down in the market, but this is a lot of short trade sentiment, so I do feel this counts, and we could see moves back down with that. Next up is the Ethereum Volatility Breakout Detector, and we've seen quite a bit of a period of high volatility. However, this has dropped off over the last couple of days, as we've seen some slightly more sideways movement, much less drastic moves in the market. Now, on the Ethereum major support and resistance levels, the price is currently above all structure resistances, so there isn't a resistance we can check on the chart. However, this one right here at 1,845 is the main one we're looking at, and the one we need to look to break before we reach $2,000 again. We do have structure support though at 1,714 and 1,742, somewhere in that area, followed by $1,462. Last but not least is the Ethereum Daily Trade Scanner, and we recently got a great sell signal right here that did result in moves down in the market before we did see this little bit of a pump. And honestly, I do think it's more likely, just based on the metrics so far, that we could be seeing moves back down. So this would be a great sell signal from Ethereum, following both of these great sell signals as well. Now, if you want to get access to all of these metrics and more, including future forecast videos that have outperformed the S&P 500 by 175%, or if you want to get access to our trade setups, we are 8 wins, 0 losses, with more trades coming soon. If you want to get access to all of this and more, you can get our membership at the links in the description. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and it'll be the very first link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page where you can grab the full access for $59 a month. This is what's going to give you access to all the special features I just showed you and more. So if you want to join, click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Ethereum on the 1-day time frame. Again, actively testing structure resistance here at $1,845. The next major structure resistance we need to be looking out for is $20,333 at this major sell signal. So if we do break above this, I think it's going to be amazing, and we could be seeing 20,000 for the first time since August of 2022. However, we do have the FOMC meeting coming tomorrow where they will be announcing the interest rate hikes. And when they do this, I've honestly been kind of suspect about whales. I think whales have been pumping and pumping and pumping this market in order to possibly actually dump. And we've seen this very consistently. If we go over to this chart right here with Bitcoin, each of these yellow lines here are rate hikes. We can see after just about every single one, boom, move down, boom, move down, move down. It just happens over and over and over again. Move down, move down. This one did move up, so it's not a perfect pattern. But again, just move down. It happens over and over and over again. And after a major pump like this, I would not be surprised to see a drop, even if the interest rate hikes come out to 0% this time around in response to the bank failures. Nothing is guaranteed. Past performance does not guarantee future results. So it's not guaranteed that we will see drops, but it is very possible, just based on the past history, based on this gigantic pump that happened in the market, that we could see moves down in Bitcoin and therefore Ethereum and the rest of the market. As of right now, though, the price versus well money flow is only about the middle of its chart, with the trend exhaustion not quite reaching its top red section. This tells me that there's plenty of whale money that could push into the market, and we could actually see a move up into that $20,000 range before we see any moves back down in response to the FOMC meeting. And on the weekly time frame here, things are still looking pretty bearish, with price versus well money flow high and trend exhaustion high and moving back down. So the larger time frames are feeling more bearish. If we keep that in mind, I think it will be important to first pay attention to right at the top of the sell signal at 1,735, again, as we saw on the support and resistance chart on the metrics, followed by somewhere around here at $1,459. And if things go really, really bad, I think we could reach 1,360 again to meet horizontal structure support here, and bottom out on this broadening triangle pattern. This would be a catastrophic move, and this would take several days, at least a week before this move down happens. But it is possible we're going to see that, especially if Bitcoin sees its major drop in response to the FOMC meeting. This is what we're looking out for. And what this tells me overall is from the current price right here, we could see a pump of up to nearly, I'm just going to call that an even 13% if the price moves up to $2,000, or a potential drop all the way down to 24% to meet structure support at 1,360. Now you can get access to all three of these indicators, actually 11 in total, for up to $400 off right now. And let me show you how to do that. Now links to the indicators again will be in the description. Go ahead and scroll down, hit show more, and it'll actually be the second link here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page where you can find the TC top and bottom finder and the bundle pack. Now the best possible deal will actually be to buy the bundle pack first, as this will include the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow indicators, along with 7 more for you to use, plus a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. Purchasing all 11 indicators using that $400 off coupon is actually cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder alone, so that will easily be your best possible deal. No matter what you get, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment with full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, please feel free to email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.